Cangzhou zhongtuo International Trade Company Limited is one professional roll-forming machine supplier in Cangzhou, Hebei, China. We are a factory with a long history, dedicated to design and manufacture different types of cold roll-forming machines used for metal material. Our own factory is located in Botou, very close to Cangzhou. The machines we can produce include roof tile making machine, CZ purlin making machine, light steel keel making machine, metal embossing machine, door system forming machine, ceiling system forming machine, high-frequency pipe welding machine, slitting line, cut-to-length line, floor decking forming machine, etc. We have been keeping up with the international trends, developing and upgrading our machines with long service time, easy installation and operation, and the finished products produced by our machines with good shape for easy construct. Up to now, our machines have obtained a number of patents and passed the European CE certification, etc. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 150 countries with rich experience, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. We are a reliable supplier of the cold roll forming machine supply with 2 years warranty. All our machines insists on testing before delivery. We will not deliver defective equipment to customers. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.